So my name is Gareth Williams, and I'm one of many for Tiny Rebel. I'm one of the co-founders and directors. It was born from a passion and a hobby of home brewing. So brewing beer, I guess, in our garages. We've both had a real passion and a kind of drive for it. We also enjoy drinking it, but I think kind of making it was more of a kind of hobby. And taken from sort of 11 years ago now, where we were brewing in a garage, you know, brewing sort of 20 litres a week. We're now up to 20, 30,000 litres a week. So it's expanded over the way. So we felt it was important to get involved with Coleg Gwent for a number of reasons, really. We've used students from there in the past, in our kitchen, in our brewery, and it's just about getting more awareness, really, with the college and having a partnership with them to help drive the business forward, really, with the young talent that we're looking for within the industry. So it was important for us to become part of the pledge because it's all about giving back as well. And we want to be seen to be partnering with local organisations and businesses like Coleg Gwent. You know, one of our targets is to get local talent and not trying to bring it in from outside the area. It is very important to keep it local. So by being in with the pledge with Coleg Gwent, it's going to be very important for us to kind of attract that kind of talent that we're looking for within our industry. You know, whether that be from a sort of production, which is a manufacturing point of view, trying to pick up that skill set that we're looking for. Obviously hospitality, so catering is going to be very important for us, looking for local talent as well with regards to that. So I mean, all of that is part of our future, and hopefully a future with Coleg Gwent together.